Yeah, so here we have the perfect car to show you guys how the electronic exhaust system works. Here we have a G-Wagon. This G-Wagon is diesel, so it doesn't really make that powerful noise as a G63 does. And so this is what we want. So I'm going to start the car now so you guys can hear how it sounds. Let's do that. Let's start it. There you go. It's got that diesel sound. And after we do the installation, you'll see the difference. So here we are again. Now it's all being done. Let's start there so you hear the difference. There it is. I hope you guys notice the noise that it can produce now. Now it really sounds like a G500, which is like the aim on this vehicle here. As you know, it's a diesel, and now it has this electronic exhaust system fitted. And we managed to fit it here. We have two speakers fitted on this vehicle here. One we managed to fit here. This was a dummy before. Now we connected the THOR Exhaust speaker to this one, so it really sounds and feels like there is emission coming from the car, okay, apart from just the noise. And the other speaker we fitted here at the back. So it's just there, it's well hidden, but it still looks like an exhaust, and it sounds like an exhaust. And so let's rev it again. There you go. That's the noise you get now when you're driving this car, which it didn't make any noise before. It was just the sound of it was a diesel. So now it sounds really like a G500. I know the car community is they don't really like things like this to be done to cars, but this is the best you can get for a diesel vehicle. Yes, on this you also get an app, like here. This is all controlled by this app. And then on this app, you see the G500. You can pick many other cars. You can download more vehicles to this app. You can even have it like a jet fighter if you want, where you can download a lot more vehicles here. And you can turn it off, turn it back on. Here you can choose and make your own noise to it, your own sound. You can have sports, just like that. It sounds really different. Let's do it again. Just rev the vehicle there. See, it sounds really different. And then I've done this one myself, and I think it sounds really good. Let's do that again. There you go. Yeah. So this is the app which you can play with it, and once you're set to the way you like, just leave it that way. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed and see how we do this. This is the THOR exhaust sound system fitted on this vehicle here. There it is. I hope you guys like it. If you need anything done to your car similar to this, you know where to find it. It's here at Polymath. Okay, so I hope to see you soon.